let's cover the AutoScene options button in the menu bar. This button brings up the AutoScene options, where you can import your sides and begin rehearsing and performing in just minutes. Now tap the AutoScene options button. Tap Create New AutoScene button. Tap Import Script. And we have 3 different sides that we can choose from: casting sides, industry standard shooting sides, or dialogue pool only. Casting sides tend to have markings like Scene 1 and Scene 2, Start and End. In this case, we are going to choose casting sides. We're going to select the sides. Now the scene is set up automatically. We are going to select our character, in this case, John.
Hello, I am reading Jack's line.
Hello, I am reading Jack's lines.
Now, Actor Q recommends that we use the Reader Autofill option, as this is a more realistic reading. You have 2 options. You can record the reader lines here directly, or you can import the reader lines. How this is done is you record all the reader lines in one take, pausing between each line. Or you can send your script to your friend and have them record the reader lines in the same way. One take, pausing between each reader line. In this case, we will select Import Reader Lines, select the Reader Lines file, and now we will review the matches that have been automatically matched.
Was the audition for a guest star or recurring role? Congratulations, that's great.
Tap Apply Tentative Matches. Now the reader lines audio are automatically matched to the lines. We will review the scene. We can choose whether to show action/stage direction lines or not. The director voice reads the action lines. We can change the director voice.
Hello, I am your director.
Now we can review the lines, edit them quickly. If everything looks great, we tap AutoScene Ready, Save and Finish. Tap Replace. The scene has been autofilled successfully. We can choose to rehearse right now, or we can exit back to the line editor view. In this case, we will tap Rehearse Now. Now we are in SceneCue view, which is where we rehearse and perform the scene. We have options before we start the rehearsal or performance. In this case, we will turn the action lines off by tapping the action lines on and off toggle. Then we will say, Director Call Action.
Okay, ready, and action.
Was the audition for a guest star or recurring role?
Now it's our turn to say our line. It was for recurring.
Congratulations, that's great.
Thanks. Now we've reached the end of the scene. We can choose to do another take, or we can stop and go back to the line editor view. In this case, we will do another take. So we will simply say, Director, back to 1.
Okay, back to 1.
And if we're ready to start the scene, we will simply say, Director Call Action.
Okay, ready, and action.
Was the audition for a guest star or recurring role?
It was for recurring.
Congratulations, that's great.
Thanks. Now we will go back to the line editor by simply saying, Director Call Cut.
Okay, and we cut.